welcome folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Believe in the magic of tomorrow, and your spirits will be lifted on the wings of hope. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 14, NASDAQ down 4, S&P's up 2. All the indices, folks, giving it up on price. Had an expansion of price out here, giving it up. We're going to go through these markets. Gold contract up $4.50, traded at $1,242 an ounce. Gold, different story. Gold building cause for higher prices, laying right under its highs. What you can expect next week is that gold's going to bust topside once again. Silver up 19 cents, $15.35 an ounce. Silver, as soon as it got back inside the $15.22, you're in the higher range. Silver is going to make a run for that $16 area. That's where the sellers are. We'll see if they can get through that supply line at the $16 level. Platinum up $9.90 at $967 an ounce. You have copper up a penny at $2.08. Light sweet crude's the mover, baby. Up $2.33, $39.59 a barrel. The oil market, folks, is what's going to end up having this S&P get up to its price projection of 2087. Right now, we're 2046. 2087 is the ABC price projection. Bonds, the 10-year note, down 5 ticks, 131.02. 30-year bond, down 20 ticks, 166.12. Both of them are still over the downdraft from March 1st. Bottom line, that means they can go at a higher price. King Dollar's toast. Get the peanut butter, get the jelly, get the cream cheese. Do it up, folks. Down 284 ticks, 94.22. King Dollar's making its way down to the 92.50 to 92.30 area. Euro is up 25 ticks, trading at 114, and the yen is trading at 108.26. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We go over to the SPY. We take a look at the SPY. Price spread, you get everything out here, folks. Okay, so yesterday, what do we do? Yesterday, the SPY goes down from $205.56 to $203. You had an expansion of volume. We did 113 million shares. That was coming into 137. Now, we had the expansion of volume from where we've been. We certainly didn't have the expansion of volume to break down. Today, what happens, you go to a higher price point, you have light volume, you pull back, that's on your daily. Now, we're on Friday, so let's do the weeklies. On the weeklies, guess what? We haven't moved. On the weeklies, what we've done is this. Last week, you do 450 million shares. You go from $202 to $207. This week, we're going to do 438 million shares, and you get the same place. Bottom line, this little baby, volatility in spades, no doubt. I suspect still my bear suit is hanging in my closet. Got it when we had a reunion last weekend. Got it out of the social club in South Boston, brought it back. It's hanging right now, getting ready to get put on, but guess what? It's not going to get put on for probably another couple weeks because this S&P wants higher price. Let's go to the Qs. We take a look at the NDX 100. What do you have with the NDX 100? This is what we have. And as we put this together, I'm going to show you what I'm looking at, folks. And it's going to be the oil market that's going to basically get this baby into the higher price. So, NDX 100, 3 Qs. 17 million shares today, you're down 32 cents. Yesterday we come down with 28 million shares. You're going into 29 million shares. So what you have here is this. The Qs are coming down with lighter volume. And it's pretty dramatic, too. The dramatic part is 17 million going into 29 million. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? What we have with the gold contract is this. This is a pretty wild setup. So gold today, really a sideways move. We went from 1231 to 1244. You're at 1241 right now. You have done 126,000 contracts. Yesterday we pushed higher with 189,000 contracts. we're hanging right at the highs. That's on the daily. We go take a look at the weekly. What you have with the weekly is this. Weekly right now, we went from a price point of 12.15 to 12.42. You still have an intraday ABC structure on the way up. Now it's 2 days now at 12.50. This baby, if we close where we are, which is 12.40, we're already into the lows of the high. The lows of the high on a weekly basis is 12.37. The high is 12.87. That's saying it wants to go after that high. If we go take a look at the XAU, what you're going to see is this. And the equities are what brought the gold contract higher in the first place. The XAU, which is a Philadelphia Gold and Silver Index, which is the weakest indice, by the way. When you look at the XAU, the HUI, guess what? It's over its highs. The high that was generated out here on March 17th was $73.81. You're at $73.90. Bottom line, you very well could have an additional ABC structure on the way up. We'll get the volume 8 o'clock tonight. The Gold Bugs Index. What do you have with the Gold Bugs Index? That just blew it away. The high that was generated out here, and the Gold Bugs Index was $189.33. We're at $193.31. You're up $6.99. Same type of setup there. If you want to see some individual stocks, bottom line, Pan American Silver taking the highs out in a dramatic way. The high in Pan American Silver was $11.30. You're up there at $12.01. Anglo Ashanti, I believe that's up there too. Anglo Gold, rather. Anglo Gold, the high is $14.31. You're at $14.57. Bottom line, gold stocks, silver stocks want higher price. You're going to see this next leg coming at you. The notes. Let's go over to the notes. We take a look at the notes. What we have with the notes is this. 10-year note trading at 131.02, down 5 ticks. We were down as much as, 9 ticks, and you did have volume on the way down. Bottom line, though, if you close over the 130.27, you can get the higher price. Okay, now let's go to the oil market, because the oil market, folks, and this is the correlation. So there's a question in the den, is that why would the market give everything back when, in fact, the oil market is still up? That's just deviance, man. The stock market's job is what? Take the most amount of money and with the most amount of people in the least amount of time. Guess what? This is a perfect correlation. Oil goes up, market goes down. Everyone's going to say, okay, let's short the heck out of this thing. Guess what? Wait till next week. It's a beautiful thing, folks. So oil's up from $37 to $39.85. Oil's going to make the run up there to $42.49. The real question is, does it blow it away with volume and get up into the $47 area? You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back.